The GMC Hummer EV represents a bold leap into the future of automotive innovation, combining the rugged, off-road legacy of the Hummer brand with cutting-edge electric vehicle (EV) technology. This vehicle is not just a car, it is a statement, a testament to the possibilities of sustainable engineering, advanced design, and uncompromising performance. As the automotive industry shifts toward electrification, the Hummer EV stands out as a symbol of how far we've come and where we're headed. It is a vehicle that challenges preconceived notions about electric cars, proving that sustainability and power can coexist in a single, awe-inspiring package. The Hummer EV is a reimagining of the iconic Hummer brand, which was once synonymous with gas-guzzling, military-inspired vehicles. In its new electric avatar, the Hummer EV retains the rugged, adventurous spirit of its predecessors but redefines what it means to be a capable off-road vehicle in the 21st century. This transformation is a reflection of the changing priorities of consumers and the automotive industry as a whole. As concerns about climate change and environmental sustainability grow, automakers are under increasing pressure to develop vehicles that are not only efficient but also capable of meeting the demands of modern drivers. The Hummer EV is a response to this challenge, offering a zero-emission alternative that doesn't compromise on performance or capability. One of the most striking features of the Hummer EV is its sheer power. With up to 1,000 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque in its top configuration, the Hummer EV is a force to be reckoned with. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, a feat that rivals some of the fastest sports cars on the market. This level of performance is made possible by General Motors' Ultium battery technology, which provides the Hummer EV with a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge. The Ultium platform is a game-changer for the EV industry, offering flexibility, scalability, and efficiency that were previously unimaginable. It allows the Hummer EV to deliver exceptional performance without sacrificing range or reliability. But the Hummer EV is not just about raw power, it's also about innovation and versatility. The vehicle is equipped with a host of advanced features that make it one of the most capable off-road vehicles ever built. One of the standout features is the crab walk mode, which allows the Hummer EV to move diagonally by turning the rear wheels in the same direction as the front wheels. This feature is particularly useful in tight off-road situations, where maneuverability is key. Additionally, the Hummer EV comes with adaptive air suspension, which can raise the vehicle by up to 6 inches to improve ground clearance when tackling rough terrain. These features, combined with the vehicle's robust construction and all-terrain tires, make the Hummer EV a true off-road champion. The Hummer EV also boasts a state-of-the-art infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with the driver's digital lifestyle. The vehicle features a large touchscreen display that provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. It also supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that the Hummer EV software is always up to date with the latest features and improvements. The interior of the Hummer EV is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind, offering premium materials, spacious seating, and ample storage space. It's a vehicle that's as comfortable on a cross-country road trip as it is on a rugged off-road adventure. One of the most significant aspects of the Hummer EV is its contribution to the broader shift toward sustainable transportation. As the world grapples with the effects of climate change, the need for cleaner, more efficient modes of transportation has never been more urgent. The Hummer EV represents a step in the right direction, offering a zero-emission alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles. By embracing electric technology, the Hummer EV is helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and pave the way for a more sustainable future. It's a reminder that sustainability and performance are not mutually exclusive, that we can have our cake and eat it too. The Hummer EV is also a testament to the power of innovation and collaboration. General Motors has partnered with some of the leading names in technology and engineering to bring the Hummer EV to life. From the development of the Ultium battery platform to the integration of advanced driver assistance systems, the Hummer EV is the result of years of research, testing, and collaboration. It's a vehicle that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, challenging the status quo and setting new standards for the automotive industry. Of course, the Hummer EV is not without its challenges. As with any new technology, there are still hurdles to overcome. One of the biggest challenges facing the Hummer EV and other electric vehicles is the availability of charging infrastructure. While the number of charging stations is growing, there is still a long way to go before EVs can match the convenience of gas-powered vehicles. Additionally, the high cost of the Hummer EV may put it out of reach for many consumers, at least in the short term. However, As technology continues to evolve and economies of scale come into play, these challenges are likely to become less significant over time. Despite these challenges, the Hummer EV represents a significant milestone in the evolution of the automotive industry. It's a vehicle that embodies the spirit of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and challenging us to think differently about the future of transportation. The Hummer EV is more than just a car, it's a symbol of progress, a reminder that we have the power to shape the future in ways that are both sustainable and exciting. In conclusion, the GMC Hummer EV is a groundbreaking vehicle that combines the best of both worlds: the rugged, adventurous spirit of the Hummer brand and the cutting-edge technology of electric vehicles. It's a vehicle that challenges preconceived notions, proving that sustainability and performance can go hand in hand. With its impressive power, advanced features, and commitment to sustainability, the Hummer EV is a testament to the possibilities of innovation and collaboration. It's a vehicle that not only meets the demands of modern drivers but also sets new standards for the automotive industry as a whole. As we look to the future, the Hummer EV serves as a powerful reminder that the road ahead is full of possibilities, and that the journey is just as important as the destination.